Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can change Canva mode. So I am on the Canva homepage and let's go to the section on the right and here click Account Settings. Go down and here we see Theme. First one is Science with System. It is Auto mode. Second is Light mode. And the last one is Dark mode. So here is fantastic option. So I hope you like this easy tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, click link in the description and check my new extensive Canva master course on udemy.com. See you next time.